Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. What gone? If I your first time subscribe, that's my ask. Says me and give the video a like. So we are kick it off with the plaque itself, where Sean Paul get for over 1 billion streams on Pandora. You see me at the side.
I'm here to present you on behalf of Pandora this plaque to commemorate your passing of over 1 billion spins.
Whoa.
It's a good look. Billion, man, that make it sound simple though. Yeah man, billion spin, you hear that? And them money is a part of the culture itself. We pay for certain things, so we have to acknowledge them things. You get me? Yeah man, is a good look said we see me all of the audience them know that too. Besides that, Shenseea go on the Rolling Loud performance, and by the books looks at it, I just can say it was a good look. The whole way she approach the stage, you see me, the whole intro and everything, you see me guys. Come on, so as I said, the entrance was amazing guys, you see me. Wish we could have shared the full video, but due to copyright music and etc, we are gonna just share a little clippings when she come out of the jerk pan, and the man say, oh, and chicken for jerk. Then again it's like the chicken did alive. Yeah man, anyways guys, when you can find the video, you can go over Shenseea or hashtag Shenseea when you can't miss it, you see me. Otherwise, just enjoy the clippings that me share with you. The people want to say she flop, which she not flop. I'm not gonna tell no lie. Even if she'd have the background song or whatever the case might be, you see me, we have to just acknowledge how things come, you see. Yeah man. And if you don't know about Wull, you don't know say at every end of a video there's a live video, you see.
Nikki Minaj. So me look, I say bumbo clot. I know we are Gaza, you know that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we know we
Gaza,
fucking Gaza. Fucking fully Gaza.
Gaza.
Gaza. Nikki, check your DM. I sent you a message already. Check your DM.
Now?
Yeah, check your DM. Check your DM. Yeah, no, check your DM after coming for live. I'm gonna send my number.
I might not be able to come back on.
No,
All right, but no, I'm gonna hang up and I'm gonna check it and I might come back on. But I'm working right now. I just wanted to drop in and say hi for 2 seconds.
I really, really, really appreciate it. No, listen. Just check your DM. So anytime if I send it, when I send back a next DM, you will see right there.
Okay.
And thank you very much.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Right now, I don't know what am I gonna say now. Cause at first, you just say I'm a groupie for you because I keep on posting my page. What they gonna say now?
I don't know, but I love.
Nikki, what the fuck they gonna say now?
I don't know.
Nikki, let me ask you a question. What the fuck they gonna say now? Jesus.
It's quiet. No, y'all know.
Quiet.
Quiet. It's quiet. Ain't no back talk.
You're damn right. These motherfuckers. All the feel now. Yo, Nikki, I love you.
All right, love you, babe.
All right.
And hi to everybody, all your supporters. You know, big up everybody in Jamaica. Y'all know I love y'all so much. And I have a fake accent, but I'm working on my accent. It's gonna get better in time. Okay, I love you.
Don't
okay,
worry.
Lava, take care.
Remember to check your DM.
All right.
All right. Thanks. You see it? John was star. You see it? It's in. What am I gonna say now? What am I gonna say now? What am I gonna say now? You see, people, just humble. Wait. When is a time, is a time. When is a time, is a time. Yes, people. When it's a time, is a time. Nikki Minaj, I really, really appreciate it for you stopping by. You just say she been a watch it on YouTube. You see people? Jaja, I feel good in myself in the night, yeah. See it? Feel good in myself. Man, I lie. People in life have to understand this when certain opportunity come your way, you know. You have to feel good. Nikki never have to stop over here. Or she could have stopped over here, but she never have to come on the live. I'm a respect her for that. Yeah, man. What am I gonna say now? Huh? What am I gonna say now? See that? See? It's like if somebody is a talk about mother look while ago. Only catch a life from early out, right? When upon the life I talk about mother, I mean, so there's a missing piece in my life. And they come up on life and say, you now watch it, tell mother watch blessing by you. I see it now put a smile on my face. She put a smile on my face. Yeah, man. Nikki put a smile on my face, man. See it there? Yeah, people. Talk to
Burn them.
my brother.
Blessings have flow like a river.
Talk now, man.
Yeah, deal it.
Talk now, brother.
Yeah, deal it.
Talk now,
Why
brother.
you come on the ground, man?
Sick.
Do it effortless, my friend.
Talk about, bro.
You're doing what you love, fam. And it's working. You know what I mean?
Working, bro.
Working, because you're doing it
Working,
from a
bro.
genuine place. You're doing it from a genuine place at work.
The art. See how I'm going with you?
Stay are going to easy do some work.
Yeah, man. What am I gonna say now? Huh? What am I gonna say now? See that? See? It's like if somebody is a talk about mother look while ago. Only catch a life from early out, right? When upon the life I talk about mother, I mean, so there's a missing piece in my life. And they come up on life and say, you now watch it, tell mother watch blessing by you. I see it now put a smile on my face. She put a smile on my face. Yeah, man. Nikki put a smile on my face, man.